Today I am reviewing full Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful all-in-one kitchen system that can handle everything from smoothies to dough, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770 is a true game changer. Right out of the box, this system makes a strong impression with its sleek black design and powerful 1500-watt motor that delivers professional-grade performance right in your own kitchen. Whether you're blending frozen fruit, crushing ice, making purees, or kneading dough, this system is engineered to deliver exceptional results every time. The heart of this machine is the total crushing technology. The XL 72-ounce pitcher is ideal for large batches, making it perfect for family breakfasts, meal prep, or entertaining guests. Equipped with 4 unique blades designed for different tasks, it crushes ice into snow in seconds, ensuring your smoothies, frozen drinks, or purees have that perfect texture. With a maximum liquid capacity of 64 ounces, you can blend generous servings without constant refills. One of the standout features of the Ninja BL770 is the on-the-go convenience it offers. It comes with not one, but 2 16-ounce Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids. This means you can prepare smoothies or shakes directly in the cups and take them with you, without having to transfer into another container. This is especially perfect for busy mornings when you need quick, nutritious options for work, school, or the gym. Beyond smoothies, this system truly shines as a versatile kitchen tool. It includes an 8-cup food processor bowl that delivers consistent chopping, pureeing, and mixing. Whether you're prepping vegetables for a salad, making nut butter, or creating sauces, this processor bowl delivers professional quality results. There's even a dedicated dough blade that can mix up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. A dream come true for baking enthusiasts who want to save time and effort. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System offers 4 powerful functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve. These functions give you the flexibility to tackle any recipe with ease. The blender pitcher and the processor bowl work together seamlessly, offering a level of convenience and performance that makes meal prep faster and easier than ever. Cleaning is another area where this system impresses. All BPA-free parts, including the pitcher, blades, and cups, are dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple and stress-free. The motor base itself can be wiped clean with a damp cloth. This attention to ease of use really adds to the overall experience. The Ninja BL770 is designed for durability and heavy use, with stainless steel blades built to last and a robust motor that powers through even the toughest ingredients. This combination of strength, versatility, and convenience makes it a must-have for anyone who spends time in the kitchen. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent juggling multiple meals, or a home chef exploring new recipes, this kitchen system delivers performance that makes a noticeable difference. Overall, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770 isn't just a blender or a food processor. It's a powerful, versatile kitchen assistant that can handle virtually every task you throw at it. From morning smoothies to homemade dough, sauces, and more, this system offers exceptional value and convenience. With its powerful motor, multiple attachments, and easy cleaning, it's one of the best investments you can make for your kitchen. For anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen appliances, the Ninja BL770 is a strong contender that blends innovation, power, and convenience into one sleek, professional-grade system.